Hello, mamas. Please come closer. Come see this healthy, filling, and affordable school lunch that you can pack for your kids. This meal is highly nutritious, and I recommend you pack this lunch for your kids at least once in a week. Before I forget my manners, you all are welcome to Gifted Kitchen. If you are new here, you are very much welcome. And please don't stop the video. Please watch it to the end. You must learn one or two tips today. So today, guys, I'll be sharing how I prepared this yam pottage, also known as jiahuho in my dialect. If you're Igbo, you will understand. This meal is so nutritious, filling, and very easy to pack in children's lunchbox. And it's also a very healthy option for school lunch because it keeps children full for long hours. Any day I prepare it for my kids, and when they're back from school, they don't usually request for anything again. As you all know, yam contains carbohydrates, and that gives children enough energy to stay for the day. And the vegetables helps children gain more vitamins for the day. Another reason why I so much love to prepare this meal, because it makes my children have bowel movement. Like I have one of my daughter that hardly visits the toilet. She goes to the toilet once in 2 days. Like I've done all I could. At this point, I want to introduce my ingredients to you. Don't go anywhere. I will finish this up later. Okay? So these are the few other ingredients I have for this lunch this morning. This is onion, and this is blended dry fish, but I blended it because my kids doesn't like eating it. And this is crayfish, this is pepper, this is smoked fish, fresh tomatoes, and ogo. At this point, can you guess what I'm making? I know you can guess. So let's get right into it. Something else is missing. Red oil. Get me red oil. So back to my daughter that doesn't have daily power movement. So this meal and oatmeal are the two healthy meals I know that any day she had it, definitely she's going to have a bowel movement that day on a normal ground, not running stomach, just normal. So you see why I highly recommend this meal at least once in a week for your kids. All right, you can also make it for the full family. Sometimes I make it for dinner. All members of my family will have it. As you can see in this video, I started by cooking the yam until it was 50% done. Then I added onion, blended dry fish and crayfish. I also added red peppers and then red oil. So I mixed everything together, to allow them marry each other inside my pot. So before adding these ingredients, I cooked the yam for 10 minutes. But that yam gets strong head though. As you can see in that video, does it even look like something that have been on fire for 10 minutes. After that, I added salt and nor cube, just one nor cube, because I've added enough crayfish and the dried fish that I blended. So I covered the pot to allow everything cook together. As you can see, I chopped the tomatoes big. I want to be seeing the tomatoes even after I've added vegetable. So this is smoked fish. So after cooking for like 10 minutes, so I added fresh tomatoes that I chopped big because I want to be seeing it in the food. And after that, I went in with the fish and turn it again and allow everything to cook together. As you can see here, the food is almost done. So I'll be going in now with the vegetable. So keep watching. Dog, don't finish for my mouth too. Is that even possible? You want granite as snacks? Maybe I'll give you as an extra snacks, not just your main snacks. So you are fasting today? You might wonder why I'm dishing out in the small. So my kids said they're going to have this yam pottage for breakfast, and I gladly obliged. So I quickly dished out the one they will have for breakfast, and then I went ahead to dish their lunch. So keep watching, guys. Talk no day for my mouth again. This voiceover thing, so I'll be doing more of unedited, video that the background is showing. Please guys, bear with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share with other parents. Let me know in the comment section if you would like more healthy school lunch ideas. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.